Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You have the tools ready. Now begin. First, fit the tuner and cutters within reach, then loosen the old string until it's slack and safe to remove. Once done, unwind 2 to 3 turns from the tuning post so the post rotates freely. Make sure to support the bridge pin or tie block so nothing shifts when you pull the string out. You're starting the real work now. Stay focused and keep small parts contained so you don't lose pins or scraps. Now thread the new string through the bridge or tie it securely depending on your instrument. Pull it to the saddle, then leave about 2 to 3 inches of slack at the tuner post to allow for proper winding. Once inserted into the tuner hole, begin winding slowly. Guide the string so coils wrap downward on the post for stable tuning. Make sure winds are neat and snug, 2 to 3 winds for lower strings, 3 to 5 for thinner strings, because consistent wrapping prevents slipping later. You finish by tuning the string close to pitch, then gently stretch it along its length and retune. This relaxes internal tension and prevents quick detuning. Once done, repeat tuning and stretching 3 to 5 times until the pitch holds steady. Make sure to trim excess string with cutters and tuck the end safely away. If the string keeps slipping, add an extra wind or retie the knot. If problems persist, inspect for defects and replace the string.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.